This is a video review of a DC to AC power inverter. This is a Rosewell product. It's 150 watts, and they claim that it will fit in the cup holder of your vehicle. So we'll take a look around at it. Oh wow, have power when a blackout occurs. Wow, a whole 150 watts. I'm sure that will really keep me going. But at least I suppose I could run my laptop off of it. A compact size for a car's cup holder. Got a surge power of 300 watts. It is a modified sine wave. And it's, oh yeah, I forgot, yeah, it's got a 5 volt 2.1 amp USB output as well too. Okay, so let's break this open. Okay, so this back piece of cardboard is nothing more than a feature sign. We have a user manual, whoever uses those anyway, and then we have the unit itself along with another piece of cardboard sign and nothing else in there. So here it is. Got an on-off switch up there. Pretty heavy duty 12 volt wire here, and it looks like it can either go down out the bottom or it flexes to come out of the side. And what I'm guessing we will do is undo that. Probably 6 in a cup holder, and this runs up the side and pops out and goes into your cigarette lighter. And then turn it on, turn it off. Maybe there's some lights or something. Looks like okay. Doesn't appear to be any fans, so I'm guessing the heat is dissipated through the aluminum side here and possibly these vents. Okay, let's go put it in my pickup and we'll do a quick little test on it and see, you know, how it works and if it works. And I'll use my little kilowatt meter and we'll see if we can max it out and see what happens. Okay, so I'm outside of my pickup and I've got it installed. Fits in my little cup holder nicely, and then I've got it run up under to my cigarette lighter adapter that is in the console. So right now we are running 124.8 volts, and I'll go ahead and we'll plug my laptop in. And it actually jumped up pretty high. It looks kind of high, 127 volts. Got 30 watts being consumed by the laptop. Now let's see about turning it on. Oh, it either it's shut off, or let me put the key in the ignition. Maybe my Tundra shut it down. Huh. Well, I'll be damned. Oh, there, we're back up now. Okay, so my Tundra must have, no, there it went again. Huh. I thought maybe my pickup shut it down. That is peculiar. The laptop showing, okay, there we go. Now the watt meter is registering. 55 watts. So maybe my truck just needed to be running. Maybe it sensed, you know, the voltage was diminishing or something, so it powered itself off. So there we go. It's providing 51 watts to the laptop. The laptop is up and running. And let's see. Okay, we're back in that, kind of bouncing around a little bit there in the voltage, it looks like. 115, 114, I saw 120 there, so I'm not real sure about that. 0.68 amps, 59 watts. And we've, oh yeah, that's 52 hertz, 53 hertz. Wow, it's not even anywhere near a 60 hertz. It's kind of bouncing up all over the board. That is probably not the best thing for computer equipment or any kind of electronics to have it bouncing around with hertz that much. Holy cow. And then the voltage especially as well too, 113, 118 before there. Yeah, so definitely this might not be the best thing for a computer to run off of with it bouncing around that much. It's not nearly as consistent as I would like to see, or as, you know, having the voltage any higher. The pickup is running, so you know it's getting a constant supply from the alternator, so I don't think it's the pickup's fault at the moment. But yeah, I don't know, this product scares me a little bit. I don't know a whole lot about voltage and the excuse me, the hertz. I don't know a lot if it affects computer equipment when it bounces around, or in this case it's just running a little low. But I don't know if that's good or bad. I know 60 hertz is what comes out of the wall, and to see it, you know, moving 55 and 52 and back and forth, yeah. So somebody may know more than me about this particular topic, but I would be wary of using this to power electronics. But anyway, that will wrap up my little review of this thing. And definitely I would not recommend this product without knowing a little more myself about hertz and voltage and how it affects equipment. Anyway, as always, thank you guys for watching. I would also like to point out real quick that when I removed this from the adapter, this end of the plug was pretty warm. It was actually quite hot. Particularly the metal parts. Not so bad on the plastic, but yeah, that's another thing. I don't know if that's quite good or bad, but for the little bit of time that we had it running there, I think the other video was about 4 or 5 minutes, it did get quite hot. So I don't know if that could be a problem as well too, and start blowing fuses. So yeah, I just figured I better add that in.